density. We look at density. I've talked so much on volume. We look at density now. What is density? Density is mass per unit volume, per unit volume of a substance. So if a question comes, define density. Density is mass per unit volume of a substance. This is how we get to define density. A simple definition. You can't fail this definition. What is density? Together, density is mass per unit volume of a substance. What is density? Mass per unit volume of a substance. Make sure this definition enters your blood. Don't forget each and every definition. When you wake up, you need to make sure that you are revising through these. These are simple things that may affect you. What is density? Density is mass per unit volume of a substance. Together, density is mass per unit volume of a substance. So the unit of density are kilograms per cubed meter. This is the SI unit. So SI unit, the SI units are very important. They're telling you that density should be expressed in these standards. You don't need to write anything according to how you feel they should be. These have got their specific SI units. When we are talking about mass, you can't tell me that you answer your question and you tell me that the mass is 10 grams. Me, I'll mark you wrong. This is not correct because I've taught you that whenever we are talking about mass, you need to convert mass to its specific SI unit, which is kilograms. I thought you need to make sure that we know how to convert. So even this one, I've just told you that it is what? The SI unit for density is kilogram. Kilogram per cubic meter. Which is what? Which is like this. Kilogram per cubic meter. Like this, cubic meter. Not centimeters, meters, like this. Like this. This is the what? The SI unit for density. SI unit is kilogram per cubic meter. These are the SI units for density. So density is calculated by using this formula. So once I give you the formula, you can able to gather the work and do the needful. Density is equal to mass over volume. This is the formula you need to know. Mass over what? Over volume. Density is equal to mass over volume. This is the what? This is the formula that you need to know. Density is equal to mass over volume. This is how we get to calculate density. Make sure you understand everything. You understand all these calculations. Make sure you get the point and understand what I'm trying to talk about. So let us look at an example. We look at an example under this. Let us look at an example. We look at an example. Hope you are able to understand. You are able to follow me properly. So I will say a stone has 450 grams, like this. A stone has 450 grams. And volume, so I'll say a material. So I'll just say material. So a material, instead of stone, I'll say a material. I'll just say a material. So a material has 450 grams and volume of 50 centimeters cubed. Like this. What is density? Have you seen the way this question is? a material has 450 grams and volume of 50 centimeters cubed. What is density? You know that density is equal to mass over volume. So density is equal to, what is mass? So as long as you are dealing with, have you seen the way these are in what? Centimeters cubed. These are in grams. So these, they are related to each other. You can just work them the way they are. But if this was in meters and this one in grams, then you need to make sure that they follow each other. It's either the one in meters goes to the one in meters goes to centimeters, or the one in grams goes to kilograms. This is how they work. So to give you a clue, let me do this. If it is like this, centimeters cubed, and you are having what? Centimeters cubed and grams. These are related. These two are related. You can work them out like that. Or if you're having meters cubed and kilograms, so these are related. Have you seen centimeters cubed and grams? Even meter cubed and kilograms, these are related. So they work in pairs. If you see something like this, centimeters cubed and grams, or meter cubed and kilograms, don't need to convert. They are well like this. They are in a pair. This is how they move. So here you just need to go direct. Hope you've understood this point. Centimeter cubed and grams, centimeter cubed, they work together. But in a case where you've got grams and meter cubed, have you seen it has followed this one, which is with a pair to that one? So which means there now you need to do some conversion. But if it is like this, these are in a pair like this, just need to work them out the way they are. So what is your mass there? Your mass, you just get that one, 450 over. What is your volume? Your volume is what? 50, which is equal to. So here when you divide, what is your answer? Your answer will be what? Your answer will be 9 grams per centimeters cubed. This is your answer. Have you seen the way I've answered? This is how you need to answer. This is how you need to work out that one. So I want you to understand this, and